Hey there, I'm Chris from Klangio, and in this quick tutorial I will introduce you to some of the features of the edit mode, which can help you to correct some errors and adjust some overall settings for your transcription. To open the edit mode, click on the Note Edit button at the top of your screen when viewing a transcription. To access the edit mode, your sheet needs to be a full transcription. If necessary, you can upgrade your demo transcription right here. Now let's edit some notes. First, you can delete notes by using the Select tool here. Select the note and then click on the bin icon right here. Or you can simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. You can add a new note by using the Add Notes tool here. You can then select the length of the note you want to add with these buttons on the right side and then simply click on the spot of the sheet where you want to add the note. To change the pitch of a note, first click on the Select tool right here and then click on a note and drag it up or down to change the pitch. Alternatively, you can use the up and down arrows if you want to work more precisely. When a note is selected, you can also change its duration, make it a dotted note, a triplet, add a tie, or change the note to a rest. Furthermore, you can also copy and paste notes by using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. This also works when multiple notes are selected. You can do so by drawing a box around the notes with the Selection tool, or you can select all the notes of a measure by clicking on an empty spot. When multiple notes are selected, you can also use the up and down keys to change the pitch of the notes, or delete them with the Delete key. You can transpose your transcription by clicking here and also change the time signature over here. In the top left corner, you can adjust further settings that will affect the whole sheet. Simply click on this Settings button here to change the key, double or half the note duration, change the split point if you have a piano transcription, the time signature, and the pickup bar to adjust the downbeat of your sheet. If you want to undo your changes, you can use the Change History buttons at the top right corner of your screen. Click on these arrows to undo or redo your changes, and then save them with the button in the middle. Finally, let's go through some editing features that are specific to some apps. If your transcription contains guitar tabs, like in Guitar Tabs and Klangio Transcription Studio, you can edit your notes by clicking on the tabs to add in new notes or change existing ones. Simply type the new number of the fretboard in the box that pops up. With tabs, you can also adjust the capo settings and the tuning of your transcription right here. If your transcription contains lyrics, like with Sing2Notes and Klangio Transcription Studio, you can edit them by clicking on them and modifying them in the box that pops up. To delete them, simply leave this box blank. Finally, for all of our apps, you can click on this question mark right here to find a list of all the shortcuts you can use, which makes your editing process a lot easier. I hope this explains the basics of how to use the edit mode. If you are struggling with a feature or have an idea for a feature that you would like to use, then feel free to let us know. Simply save your edit, click on Play Mode, and rate your transcription to send us a message. We're looking forward to hear what you think. Bye.